Okay, we start our second session. Professor Jamal Hoballah, of course, all of us we know him. He's a professor of vascular and surgery in AUB in Lebanon. He's very active in research and teaching, and he's the president of Pan Arab Vascular Surgical Society. And he was give us his opening ceremony. Dr. Jamal.
Thank you. Good afternoon, and it's really a great pleasure for me to be with you at this welcome ceremony. On behalf of PAVSS and its board members, I am honored to welcome you to this impressive conference, which is a joint effort between EG Vascular 2022 and PAVSS. You'll realize that the program committee worked very hard to put together a first-class program with expert speakers, and I trust you will find it very valuable. Now, allow me to say a few words about PAVSS. PAVSS is a non-for-profit society that was founded about 11 months ago, and its mission is to promote best vascular care education and research among vascular surgeons, vascular trainees, and specialists in the Arab world. Now, you would ask me why PAVSS? Well, the specialty of vascular surgery continues to develop and grow in the Arab world to address the needs of the vascular population. The number of vascular surgeons in the various Arab countries continues to expand, along with the interest of surgical trainees in specializing in vascular surgery. Many of these surgical trainees are of Arab descent, left their countries of origin to seek advanced vascular training in the Western world, and remained there for various reasons. Many of them became experts and leaders in the field and continue to play a leading role in advancing vascular care. Many of them would love to come back to the Arab world and visit their family and friends and contribute to the vascular care and the education in their homelands. So why PAVSS? PAVSS can really bring us all together and bring together the vascular expertise available in the region and the Western world under one umbrella, and can serve as a great forum to advance vascular care in the region. It is also, as we witness today, a great opportunity for us to get together socially and foster our friendship. So what's our vision? Our vision is to focus on the role in the Arab world to become the leading vascular surgical society, providing a comprehensive educational forum for vascular surgeons, trainees, and specialists, and to play a key role in training and certifications in vascular and vascular surgery. We also hope to offer an educational resource for the patient, for the vascular patient. How do we plan to do that? Well, we have several important goals. The first one is to organize an international vascular surgical meeting annually in a major Arab city, which will introduce state-of-the-art vascular technology and knowledge to the Arab world, covering all aspects of vascular surgery. And we also intend to have satellite events associated with other international vascular meetings like the Society for Vascular Surgery or the European Society for Vascular Surgery meetings. Now, this is our first event, and we are very grateful to Professor Mus'ad Sulman for giving us the opportunity to collaborate with EG Vascular in offering this conference. Our next annual meeting, independent meeting, is planned to be in Dubai in September 2023. And we are really hoping that the first 2 years we'll have our meeting in Dubai. But later, there are plenty of beautiful Arab cities that we would like to have the meeting held in. The second important goal that we have has to do with vascular education. And to promote the education in vascular surgery in the Arab world, PAVSS plans to have online webinars every other month that will be alternating with journal clubs every other month. And we are working hard now on establishing a vascular surgical journal that will be a quarterly event. And we have many other activities that are planned, such as workshops, updated guidelines, and identifying new developments in the field, such as the application of artificial intelligence. Now, as many of you may know, we had already 3 webinars with 3 eminent speakers. 2 of them were past presidents of the Society for Vascular Surgery. Our introductory or inauguration webinar was with Professor Ali Abu Rahma, who is one of our speakers in this meeting. We had Professor Sharif Sultan and Professor Michel Macaron. And we have an exciting schedule planned for the upcoming year. As far as vascular training, we hope to participate in developing training guidelines and certifications in vascular surgery in the Arab countries, and to help in the establishment of an Arab board in vascular surgery, and also help identifying job or training opportunities for the graduating vascular trainees within the Arab world. Our fourth goal is to continue to collaborate with other specialty societies. We would like to collaborate with the specialty societies to promote research and educate the public, and we also hope to serve as a resource to support vascular societies in the Arab world in conducting their local vascular meetings and workshops. So please join PAVSS and be active members. PAVSS is meant to be an all-inclusive society and will only flourish by your energetic participation. We are counting on you to participate in the PAVSS committees, and I thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the conference. We are really looking forward to seeing you in September 2023 in Dubai. Thank you very much.